Good evening, sir, ma'am. Our topic is about sequence. First, what is sequence? Sequence is an enumerated collection of objects in which repetitions are allowed. So basically, it's just like sets. Sets are collection of objects or numbers. Just like sequence, repetitions are allowed. And enumerated collection of objects and numbers. There are two types of sequence: arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence. First, what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence of such that the difference between the consecutive terms is constant. So, basically, arithmetic sequence are composed of numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. So it means that the arithmetic sequence are numbers in order. And then here, the geometric sequence is a sequence of numbers where each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one. So this is the hard part of the sequence, because after a number, just like for example 1, then 2, you will multiply for the number. That is what you call geometric sequence. Okay, these are the examples of arithmetic sequence. First, what is the formula of arithmetic sequence? So an is equals to a1 plus n minus 1, open close parentheses, and d. So these are the examples of arithmetic sequence. First, this is the formula. D represents common difference. A2, 4, 6 up to A34. So this is 34, the given, and 2 is the first term or the first number, plus the given 34 minus 1, and then 2 is equals to A34 is equals to 2, 33 times 2 plus 66. So 2 plus 66 is equals to 68. So A34 is equals to 68. Then for the second number, 0, 5 up to A47. So A47 is equals to 0 plus 47 for the given minus 1, and for the common difference, 5. A47 is equals to 0 plus 46 because it is subtracted by 1, then times 5. So A47. Example number 3 of arithmetic sequence: 5, 11, 17 up to A14. So first, A14 is equals to 5 because this is the first term, and then plus 14 which is given, minus 1 which is given also, then number 6 which is the common difference. It's equals to 5 plus 13 because 14 minus 1, then 6. Because of the open close parenthesis, you need to multiply it. It's equals to 5 plus 78. A14 is equals to 83. So here, A27 is equals to 15 plus 27 minus 1, then 4. A27 is equals to 15 plus 26 times 4 is equals to 104. Then A27 is equals to 129. Okay.
Start.
So here is the examples of geometric sequence. So here's the formula. An is equals to a1 r, and then n minus 1. So r means common ratio. To find the common ratio, you must determine first the second term and the first term. So here is an example. D is equals to 1/3 over 1. So r is equals to 1/3. This is the common ratio. So an is equals to a1, then r, the common ratio, n minus 1. So 1 times 1 over 3 n minus 1 is equals to 1 over 3 n minus 1. And then for the second, b is equals to 7 over 1. The 7 is the second term, and the 1 is the first term. So 7 divided by 1 is equals to 7. So an is equals to 1 times 7 n minus 1. 7 times 1 is equals to 7, then n minus 1. So these are some of the examples of geometric sequence. Here is 1, negative 1, then 1, and then so on. So we find the common difference. First is the first term, and then the second term. 1 divided by 1. Here's the positive, the negative. So it'll be 1, negative 1. So an is equals to a1 or n minus 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 is equals to 1 n minus 1. Then 4 here, 4, 2. First here, 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. An is then follow the formula. After that, an is equals to 4, and then times 2, and n minus 1. An is equals to 8, n minus 1.